Know before you go! Number 1. Don't worry about getting seasick. Most modern cruise ships are so big that seasickness is rarely a problem. They also tend to avoid areas with rougher weather and have stabilizers fitted to reduce the ship's side-to-side motion. This being said, it can't hurt to pack some Dramamine just in case. Number 2. Don't book last minute. Whereas booking late may be beneficial when flying or booking a package holiday, with cruises the opposite seems to apply. Cruise lines tend to offer their best prices first, then as demand increases and ships sell out, they raise them. Also, booking early gives you a better pick of the cabins available. Number 3. Don't book off-season. Booking a cruise off-season can be a lot cheaper, less overcrowded and even offer special promotions. But the weather will probably be worse, excursions could be cancelled, and some activities may not even be available. So although by booking off-season you may save hundreds of dollars, if you only go on holiday once a year, it probably isn't worth risking spending it stuck in a cabin on a choppy sea. Number 4. Don't underpack. Don't fret about bringing too much on a cruise. There are no limits on the amount of luggage that you can bring aboard. Just bear in mind that if you are flying to the port, airports do have luggage restrictions. Pack your suitcase thinking about the excursions you plan to go on, the duration of the cruise, and the fact that cruise ships do actually have a laundry service. Number 5. Don't book cruise line excursions. Cruise line excursions are less hassle and you'll be sure to get back to the ship on time, but they are more expensive, often underwhelming, and they'll make you feel like cattle being herded around. In places where the port is a long way away from the sights, a cruise line excursion makes sense, but in places like Monte Carlo, where you can walk to the castle and casino, or St. Thomas where you can get a taxi to the beach, you're better off going alone. Although be sure to get back on time. Number 6. Don't get left behind. Make sure you know exactly what time the ship is leaving. Often there will be a difference between ship time and port time, so be aware of which one it is. If a cruise line excursion is running late, the ship will wait, or they'll transport you to your next port free of charge. However, if a private excursion is late, they won't. Be sure to plan to arrive back at least a couple of hours before the ship departs to allow for any delays. Number 7. Don't pick a cruise based on your age. Just because you are young, it doesn't mean you love clubbing, and just because you're old, it doesn't mean that you're in bed by 8. Pick your cruise based on the events and activities that it offers, and not the age group that it is marketed for. Number 8. Don't pick a cabin rashly. Some people prefer inside cabins because they're cheaper, but other people say that they feel like you're in a closet. Some people prefer sea view or balcony cabins, even though they are more expensive, but others say, why pay more when you're only going to sleep there? The choice depends on preference. Are you going to spend time in your cabin? Would you rather spend your money elsewhere? There is no right or wrong choice, there is only your choice.